about 18.5 kilograms.
Puffing his neck up, display of
It's called
trying to
Cory
get a female.
bustard. It's the heaviest flying bird in Africa.
The what flying bird?
The heaviest flying bird in Africa.
Oh,
So it's about, the male is about 18.5 kilograms.
uh-huh.
That heavy. So this is the boy. So
Wow.
it's 18 kilograms.
Can the female puff up her neck too?
No,
No,
it's only for the boys. To
for the
impress
boys.
females.
Wow,
To
that's
to
impressive.
make himself more beautiful.
Yeah,
For the
yeah.
ladies to see.
Showing his muscles.
For the ladies to see.
All right.
Look at the neck. Oh my goodness.
Sounds like he has a goiter.
Ooh,
Oh, I am a big boy. Heaviest flying bird in Africa.
wow. He's cool.
Have you seen this before?
No,
No,
You didn't see
never.
in South Africa?
no.
Oh my goodness.
We were going to ask you if you've ever seen a.
Uh-huh.
And then we came and took these pictures. You love to see a bird in the nest.
Yeah.